Hi guys, how's it going? You'll never believe what happened. Came in, set the phone up, started to record, everything fell off. The setup, the shelf, the phone, the mirror, everything. Managed to catch my phone with my Bruce Lee-like reflexes. But yeah, so if things look a little, just bear with me. I'll have it fixed for the Saturday shave. But welcome back. Come on, another Wednesday, another shave. And what do we say by now? Let's all say it together. As you can see by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for today. The brush, here we go. Smiles for miles. Not used this since I re-knotted it with the cashmere. Oh, Mr. Bond, have you all been doing that? As your wife say to you, what are you doing in there? What are you doing? Who's Mr. Bond? You're all going, no. There you go. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. It's mega soft that. Okay, the razor for today, Paa META4 with that green handler. Absolute beautiful razor. This was gifted to me from Scouse Ian. Thank you, Ian. Hope you're doing okay, my friend. There you go. Let's get it the right way up. Scouse Ian gifted me this beautiful razor. We'll put that in there. What blade are we going to be putting in? Look, Gillette 7 o'clock. Gillette green. Come on. Let's have a look at this. That's it there. Let's get it. This is a midweek flyer, this, guys. These are good. Look, perma sharp stainless blades. These are good blades. I'll get that in there. We'll get that. I like to show you everything so you can, people like to see it going in. This is a good razor, this. I made a little short using this razor. And I took that off and put the all stainless steel one on. And I was surprised by how really nice it looked, actually. Let's get that put in there next to the brush to get some heat in that blade. Soap that we're using today, very kindly gifted to me by Mr. Wolf. Thank you, Mr. Wolf. It just doesn't look right. Thank you, Mr. Wolf. Here we go. Look, aghi di pino, right? Aghi di pino. That translates to Agnes of the pine. Honestly, it does. Here you go. And we went on, what website is this? English Shaving Company. There. Now, it's by Saponificio Bignoli. They make really good soaps, these guys. Saponificio Bignoli, aghi di pino shaving cream. We'll come down here, we'll have a look and see what we can see. Aghi di pino translates as pine needles. Alright, so, well, if the aghi, anyway. And it's exactly aroma you can expect when you open this tub. It's true. They've got 1 cent note, guys. It's if you were to walk in a pine forest full of pine needles and someone else crushed all the pine needles and it blew to you in the air, you get it's like a soft, fresh pine scent, but a natural pine needle scent. When you crush pine needles, you get that bitterness. There's none of that bitterness. It's just pure, soft, fresh pine aroma. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've put some in there in the razor company. I think Mark Davies sent me that. I think so. Thank you, Mark. There you go. We'll put some. The scent strength on this, I would put it about a 6. Here we go. Having a cup of coffee. I'm not long in from work. That's just a generic. Chuck sent me that generic coffee morning blend. It's nice. We're going to balm up with Wilkinson sword because it's green. There you go. See, the work that goes into these. And Samantha went to Birmingham. She's been sat in there for about 6 months. Samantha went to Birmingham around about Christmas time, and she went into just a generic. We call them savers over here, or kind of like a poor man's version of Boots. I don't know what you would call it over there, like a pharmacy. You have pharmacies over there. It's kind of like a pharmacy, but with everything else, just not the pharmacist. We have a lot of them over here, don't we? Savers and such like. I can't now, the names escaped me of the other ones, but you know the kind of shop I mean. and that was sat in there for just £2, something or other in the back corner. Splash up, cool down, breathe again, mentholated local, alcolada, glacial, mentholated aftershave. That's what we're going to be putting on today, guys. So without further ado, we'll wet the face. We'll get this brush out. This knot's very soft, and we'll go straight in. And let's see where we're going. Look, seconds now. As I'm lathering it, it's filling the bathroom. The minute the water made contact with this, you could smell it. It's become more aromatic, more fragrant as the water hits it, and we're making this lather. It's becoming a lot more fragrant, a lot more pine, a lot more piney, a lot more aghi di pino. We've not been going long. That brush was a little bit too wet. If you find that and your lather gets lots of bubbles, just continue whipping it up like you would a whipped cream, and eventually those bubbles will dissipate. Those bubbles will dissipate and you'll be left with a concentrated, thick, creamy lather. How many long words can you use in one day? Oh my word. Right, but look, I want to look at this, guys. I mean, look at it. We've not been going long, have we? We haven't been going long at all. Look, camera doesn't lie. So let's get that on there. It does. It smells really, really nice. Very, very fresh. Look at it. Get on there. Look, I'll do a lean in a minute. No, I put way too much water with, did I? I thought I'd put way too much water with this. But look at that. Camera doesn't lie, does it, guys? Look, and I could have kept going on and on and on with that. Oh, I tell you, let's get cleaned up. I saw a post somebody. So I was watching a video, I can't remember who it was, and they went, "You're gonna crack me up, these YouTube video makers and shavers and that, and they'll get all ready and they must clean up before they continue with the shave." I'm thinking, what's wrong with that? I'm very sick to my face. No, right, come on, calm down, John, calm down. It's alright, as you can tell, I'm okay today. It's Tuesday evening when I'm filming this, and I'm filming it because I've got something on tomorrow afternoon. Nothing fantastic, just got to run some errands and do a few little odd jobs. So I came in, grabbed a coffee and just changed my t-shirt, and it was straight into the den. This razor's wonderful. I've used a couple of Doug's razors, and for me this is by far the best, by far. Somebody commented and said they threw it in the back of the drawer because they were having trouble with these. Do you know what I would say? I would say go on Italian Barber, get yourself another handle. I would imagine a UF or a Halo handle would look really nice on that. Yeah, so that's it, yeah. It's a very, very good razor. It's a very efficient razor. I usually like to put a Kai blade in it. I find that razor in combination with a Kai blade is an exceptional shave. It really is. But this is doing okay. These Gillette, you can't, Gillette 7 series, the Gillette 7 o'clock, and they've got black and they've got yellow and they've got green, and so you really struggle. You'll struggle to find a better everyday blade. They really are very, very nice indeed, very smooth and very sharp. And that's it. How's your day been going? How have your shares been going? Oh, it's cooled down a little bit here today. Which the minute I reached for the menthol, the sun went in. It was like, quick, John's going for the menthol. But no, that's just my victimhood complex, right? Come on, let's get this used up, one. Oh yeah, I didn't expect any less. Stuart George sent me a tub of this fruit berries flavour scent. And I'll be honest with you guys, I will be honest, I like cologne scents. But out of every cologne, non-cologne scented soap I have ever tried, the fruit, that Saponificio Bignoli, Summer Fruits or something it's called, is by far the best smelling soap I have ever used. It's absolutely beautiful. It really, really is. Highly, highly recommend it. And the soap, as you can see now, is exceptional quality. And only £14 in the English Shaving Company. For a 170 gram tub now, I just got a blob on my finger and put it in that bowl. You could get away with half that. You could get away with half that. It's extremely efficient. And it says it's got properties in it for healing the skin. I can certainly attest to that. It feels fantastic. And that's it. So if you've used it, let me know. If you've used anything in today's shave, let me know. Oh, do you remember on Saturday when I said subscribe? I said YouTube's telling me that over half the people that watch. I got 10 subscribers in a day. Absolutely wonderful. So I'll say it again. Please subscribe. Yeah, absolutely. I'm trying to get up to 2,000 subscribers. Said I can do the big 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Frank Shaving gave me a load of stuff, and I've not gave it away. I feel really bad about it. We're going to do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Thanks to Frank from Frank Shaving. There'll be lots to give away. Lather mittens. Lather mittens. Look at this, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah. There's not a lot to take down. So yeah, I think I'm about 50 off of 2,000. So once we get to 2,000, I've got about 10 brushes in there. I'll do 5 giveaways. I'll give 2 brushes. You'll get 2 brushes. And I've got loads of razor blades. So what I'll do is out of my own pocket, guys. I'll throw a couple of packets of blades in with each one. And we'll do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. There you go. Oh, and that is how we shave. Like I said, always apply. On Wednesday, Samantha's on her way back. We've gone out on a hike, but she's coming back. She'll want a shower. I need a shower. Angela will be home from work soon. She'll need a shower. And we'll sit down and have a meal, a drink. Then it'll probably be an early night. Cheers, everybody. Any soap in that? Yeah, it tastes like pine. Look at this one. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Never tried this before. So I thought for the price, it was ridiculous price. Let's have a look and see. What does it smell like? Let's have it. Yeah. Oh, that. What am I getting? I'm getting menthol, but I'm getting. I'm getting menthol and I'm getting mint, but I'm getting. I'm getting like fruit polos. Do you remember fruit polo? Remember polo mints? I don't know in your country, but in our country you used to get fruit polos and you'd open them. They'd be polo mitts, but they'd be all different colours. And it's kind of, it smells like fruit polos. It's nice, it's pleasant enough. There you go, and we'll put some balm in to replenish that moisture. Very important on a day like today when your face is out. Believe me, you've got no idea how much moisture your skin is losing. Gallons of it, guys. Gallons of it via the sun. So get that moisture back in there. Hydration like this, it really does work. I use anti-aging cream and I'm 107. So is it working? You be the judge. All right, look after yourselves, look after each other, enjoy the sun, enjoy the shades. Wow, that really has got a serious dose of menthol in it. I'll ask Samantha when she comes back, and if I remember, I'll put the name of the shop underneath here that she got that from, and go down there, see if they've got any. Look after yourselves. I'll see you on Saturday for another installment of Mr. Murray's Mayday Shave. See you later. Bye.